Is this homework?
All right, so we're going to use the formula for arithmetic sequences. I want you to pay close attention.
Is this a different type? Yeah, right.
It's the same thing, but we're going to one step further.
Is this classwork?
Yes. So let's use 6, 9, 12, 15. Those 2, 3 dots mean that it just keeps going. So I already told you these were arithmetic. I want you to find the pattern. What is the pattern? Plus 3, plus 3, plus 3. So that means that our common difference is what?
3 plus 3.
Is 3. From now on, I want you to use this formula to find the rule. That is d times n plus or minus n sub 0. We don't know what sub 0 is now, but I'll explain in a minute.
Why does it have an N?
That's the term. That's the term.
What's up with the slash?
D times n plus or minus n sub 0. Now bear with me because I'm going to explain what these are. We know what d is, right?
Yes.
And we know what n is, right? We don't know what these are right here.
The common difference is n, right?
Yeah. The common difference is d. N is a number, is the term. Don't forget that. If n is a term, what does it mean by n 0?
Zero. It's 0.
Term 0, right?
Oh.
What is term 1?
Term 1 is N1.
Here, what is term 1 on the sequence? 6.
You subtract it by 3.
That's term 2.
N0 is term 0.
So term 0 is, yeah. N 0 is term 0. What is term 0?
When you subtract the,
Why is it 3?
Oh.
because you subtract
The number is adding up. That's what you get.
If you're adding this way, then you subtract going backwards, right?
Yeah, it's good to term 0.
So n 0, n sub 0, that's what we're saying, is 3. Now watch this. This is the fast way to build a formula. All we have to do is plug in those values into the formula. What is d?
3.
3.
3 times n. And what is n sub 0?
3 minus. Subtract.
Why subtract?
Because it's going left.
Look at the value. Is it a positive or a negative value?
It's a positive.
It's add.
I want you to look at the value itself. Is it negative or positive?
Positive.
So that's like that's another.
So 3 times 1 plus 2.
That's the rule, period.
Oh, yeah.
That's quicker.
I got you.
If I wanted you to find the 39th term, all you have to do is put 3 times 39 plus 3. 39 times 3 is 7. 107, right?
Oh, 120.
So when it's 25, because 9 times 3 is 25.
I got it all.
Oh, sorry, that's 117, sorry.
Oh, yes, you
Oh, I got it right.
I
I
thought it
got
was
it
120.
right.
3 times 9 is 9 plus 2 is 11. So we will have 117 plus 3, which is what?
120. Yes.
That will be the 39th term.
Oh, well, 121. Oh.
All right. So basically, that's where you find the rule the quick way. Let's do another one so let's see if we actually understood it. We have 6, 8, 10, 12, dot, dot, dot. So we're going to first find the common difference. What is the pattern?
Plus 2.
Plus 2.
Plus 2. That means that's our common difference, right?
Yes.
What's our formula again?
D
found it.
is D
Times
N
plus
minus N O.
N sub 0. It's not an O, it's a 0.
N sub 0.
That's our formula. D times n plus or minus n sub 0. So what is n sub 0?
The
Oh,
Zero
that-
term.
the
Zero
zero
term.
term.
You have to subtract.
If this is 1, this is 2, that's 0, right? So what would it be?
4.
4. Because if you're adding this way, you subtract. 6 minus 2 is 4. So that's 4. Now let's build again our rule. What is D right here?
3.
2 times n
What would be our N?
plus 4. N sub 0 is 4.
But in which case is it going to be minus
if we go beyond 0, like let's say we kept going, and we were looking. Let's say if it started right here, 2, 4. No, let's try another one. If we started right here at 1, 4, 7, 10. And then we were trying to find the common difference. What would it be?
Common difference is 4 plus 3.
3.
What?
You're adding 3. What did you see 4? So you add 3. What is our formula?
D
plus or
times
n
n plus or minus, you know.
What is n sub 0 here?
The 0 to 4.
This is 1, right? This is 2. This is 3. What is n sub 0? Why negative 1? Why negative 1?
Because it's
Negative 2.
because it's negative 2. Negative 3.
It's a 0, but no negative 0.
Negative 2.
Negative 2.
Look at this.
It's negative 2.
Here is 1. 2. Here is 4. Here is 0. Here's negative 1. Here's negative 2. If we're subtracting 3, we go 1, 2, 3. Negative 2. There isn't such a thing as negative 0, by the way.
It's nothing. Zero is nothing.
Zero is nothing.
So, our n sub 0 term is negative 2. Is anybody confused?
No. No, I'm not.
So the sub-zero, that is like going backwards.
Yeah, you're just going backwards. Now it's negative 2. Let's build a rule. What is d?
3.
3 times n. And what about our n sub 0?
Subtract.
Negative 2, right? That's when we use, huh? Negative and minus are the same thing.
Negative minus is different.
So Mr. Durango, if the 0 term was like, if it was negative 5, that's what you would put in the...
You will put negative
You
5.
wouldn't change it like plus
No.
5 if you... No?
That's why I
That
put,
means it's wrong.
that's why it says plus or minus. Because it depends on what that term is.
But whatever that is, if that's like plus 5, then it'll be plus 5.
Whatever this number is, that's what it means. If it's a positive number, you put plus. If it's a negative number, you put minus. A negative and minus are exactly the same thing. All right, so that's how we do that. For for geometric, I'll have to make another short video. Hang on.